Hello, good evening. My routine is the Halloween. 8 wake up 8:06 in the morning. Brush mistake in the bed and jade breakfast. I hate dress and goes to work 8:07 lunch 8:12:30. I leave 8:05 in the afternoon and return Jones. I beat home dinners and do my university. I sleep 8:11, 8:09 on Sunday and do sport in the morning in my work in the afternoon. What I need do you is do go to the gym I need. Bye bye.